Hello everyone, myself Dr. Amrita Sahu, Professor, Department of Commerce, the Bhopal School of Social Sciences. Today we are going to discuss on the topic Basics of Research. Today we are going to cover introduction about the research, meaning of research, types of research, characteristics of research, objectives of research and what are the motivation of research. Research, as the name indicates, it is a combination of two words. Research means searching for the knowledge or advancement of the knowledge. Research is a systematic process of collecting and analyzing information to increase our understanding of a topic. It is a crucial in scientific, technological, social and economic progress. Research is conducted in various fields such as science, business, medicine, education and social sciences. So, what is research? Meaning of research. Research can be defined as the search for knowledge or any systematic investigation to establish novel fact, validate existing knowledge or solve a specific problem through scientific methods. It involves observation, hypothesis formulation, data collection, analysis and conclusion. Types of research. Research is classified into various categories. First and foremost thing is basic or fundamental research. It expands fundamental knowledge without immediate practical application. For example, understanding the nature of atoms or origin of the universe. Applied research solves practical problems and improves existing practices. Example, developing new drugs, improving crop yield or creating more efficient energy sources. Next, qualitative research that explores concept, meaning and experiences. Studying consumer opinion and understanding cultural practices are the examples of qualitative research. Quantitative research uses numerical data and statistical method. Example, measuring consumer satisfaction, analyzing market trends or conducting clinical trials are the examples of quantitative data or research. Descriptive research describes characteristics or behavior of a population without manipulating the variable. Example, surveying a community about their lifestyle habit. Analytical research analyze data to understand relationship among variables. Example, studying how exercise frequency affect the mental health. Conceptual research develops theories or models with no direct observation. For example, proposing a new consumer behavior model. Empirical research collect and analyze real world data through observation or experimentation. Example, testing drug effectiveness through clinical trials. These are the various types of research. Apart from that, research can also be classified into longitudinal research and so on. Characteristics of research. First, systematic approach. Research is a systematic approach that follows a structured method to collect and analyze the data. Objective and unbiased, based on factual evidences rather than personal opinions. Replicable and verifiable. Researchers should be able to represent the research and achieve similar results. Problem oriented, aims to address specific issues or question, or we can say it is a cyclical because we are starting with the problem and finding the solution, and again once other person is going to start with the problem, this is a cycle going on. Innovative and dynamics, continually evolves with new discoveries and methods. Objectives of research: To discover new knowledge, research contributes to new theories, concepts and practices. Second, to validate and improve existing knowledge ensures accuracy, reliability of the previous findings. To solve specific problems which addresses challenges in science and technology, business and health and society. Aids in decision making, helps government, businesses and individuals to make informed choices. Develop new tools and techniques that leads to innovation and advancement in various fields. Importance of research. Scientific advancement leads to discoveries in science, chemistry, biology and medicine. Technological innovation supports the development of new products, machinery and softwares. Economic growth helps businesses optimize resources and improve efficiency. Social and cultural development enhances education, governance and social policies. Policy formation. Government uses research data for policy decisions in healthcare, environment and education and so on. Motivation in research refers to the diverging force that inspires individuals to conduct research and overcome challenges. Researchers must have strong motivation to sustain their efforts in the long term, as the research can be a complex and time consuming. Motivation comes from within. What are the factors that influence research motivation? So, first one is the personal interest. Passion for particular subject or problem is the motivation and foremost factor for the research motivation. Desire to solve the problem. Research often starts with curiosity about real world challenges. Career growth and recognition. Many researchers are motivated by academic recognition, publications and professional developments or advancements. Social impact. The desire to make meaningful contribution to society is the social impact. For example, medical research for curing the disease. Intellectual curiosity. The excitement for discovering something new is also a part of research motivation. That's all from my side. Thank you.